In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the black and white screen on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So one way is by opening the settings app, then scroll and select modes and routines, tap on sleep, and you can either choose to disable sleep mode completely, or if you wish to stay in sleep mode, you can just remove the grayscale option. Then if your screen is still not fixed, then you can just go back to the main settings page, then scroll and select accessibility. Under accessibility, tap on vision enhancements, then select color correction. From here, disable this feature. And so now your screen should go back to normal, like that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.